gotta stay next to you.
Hey, go.
Stop. Let's go. Next to you. Remember this? No, stop. Just stay there.
Look at the. Look at that. Do it again.
Yeah.
Ow!
Bad girl.
Child, look what your daddy's doing to me. Idiot. Stop, you're just freaking out our child. This is you.
This is me. Hi. Hi.
Go, ready to sing music to your child. Stop, you're freaking her out. Babe, stop. Her dad's supposed to be cool.
Hey. You got my underwear stuck. My shirt tucked in my underwear.
Babe, stop. I'm showing this when you die. Babe,
Right.
I can't breathe.
Chi-Chi, why are you in the room? Why is your daughter in the room? Your other daughter, your first.
Chi-Chi McGeech.
Who cares? Maybe if I get far enough, she can't see me.
Stupid. Chi-Chi, come here. Come here, you get pow-pow. Come on. I can't breathe. I need my inhaler. Ready?
What's this?
You're a creeper. I'm sorry, child. This is your father. Go over there. Oh my god. My poor child.
See you next time.
This is the your dad wants you to listen to. He's been singing this for the past couple days. Okay, this is in Little John. What else you got?
Tired. I'm in bed.
Wait, no, come here. Talk to the baby.
Hi, baby.
No, it's Tummy. Tell me if you hear anything.
Stop!
Come.
Creeper!
Come.
Stop it.
This is you, girl.
Hello, baby. It's Daddy. In all seriousness, hi.
Stop, you're always singing to her. Sing to her. We just found out you were a girl today.
You're talking to a camera, you're not talking to a child.
Yeah, I am. Stop, you creeper. Go sing to the baby.
I'm tired of listening.
Come on, sing the rock and roll song. Now listen, is she bubbly?
Yeah, there's kicking going on there.
No way, Jose. Oh, Jose, can you see?
Your mother can't sing.
By the dawn's
Where's the
early
mic? Gotta close this up.
lights, oh, so proudly we hailed.
You got hair here.
Shave it. Ow!
Sorry. I like to torture your mother.
Skimmeradinka-dinka-doo, skimmeradinka-donk.
In all seriousness, though,
Ow!
let's talk about the birds and the bees. That's how you got here. Magical stork brought you over a bird. You know the bird? Squawk, squawk. And he stung Mommy in the belly. And that's how you got in there.
Sting. There's a sting. You see right there.
That's a lie. Your mother's lying to you already. That's from a navel piercing. Navel is another word for a belly button. And a belly button is actually where the umbilical cord goes, and that's how you get all your nutrients, your food, your supplements when you're in the womb. Just in case you're wondering.
It was sexy, and I so approve you getting one when you're 31. Okay? Wait, why do I have black on? Oh my god, I'm really not this ugly, okay, child?
No, they're shallow. She's about as deep as a spoonful of sugar or a spoonful of spoon.
Tell your child what you saw today of me from 2009 or 2010. A video camera. Recording myself.
Your mother's crazy. I really. It's not me. You think this is crazy? Your mother's not the one. You gotta worry about your mother.
With a Britney Spears picture poster.
Your mother is weird. Weird. Duh. See, and she's got fungus feet. Your mother's disgusting. She farts in bed. She's got crustaceans on her feet.
No, I don't.
Your mother is quintessential weirdo.
I can't breathe.
Hi. Why am I the only one on camera?
Because I'll be on camera. I'm fine with it.
See, you can't be like me. I'm just more camera savvy.
No, my child wants to see me. My beautiful eyes. Can you tell a child how much you love me? Go. Action.
I think I hear something on the side.
Roberto! Ven aquí. What's in the camera?
Oh yeah? Hi! Hi. Hi. How'd I get in there?
Give me a kiss. Wait. This is a child that's watching.
Hi. I'm Daddy.
I wanna smother you and kiss you.
You snore and you swim.
What do you mean I